Hello. Welcome back to the weekly podcast market overview. Right now we are looking at US30 and we are gonna plot our weekly high and our weekly low. Right, that's how where we expect the market to play around within the upcoming week. We're gonna look at the candlesticks on the 4-hourly time frame. Just gonna zoom in and you can see that on the candlestick of the 4-hourly time frame. We have been in that upward movement, right? We have been in that upward movement. As you can see by we have been in that, we did break below, but we can see we are still in that upward bullish movement. So we're just gonna remove that. We're gonna see that this area right here, this is an area of support, and this area right here is also an area of resistance, right? Area of support, area of resistance. So what you can see that now where the market is, might be looking to go up and then hit here and then come back for a retest of this area, or if it does come back for that retest, we'll be looking to take our buy entries. When it does give us that retest, to get any entry, you can also see that where we did have first touch, second touch, third touch, confirmation of that downward trend, right? We did come going back down, but it is a retracement. We are still in that overall bullish movement. And you can also see that this retracement channel or correction channel, right? You can see that we did touch here, give us that bullish engulfing. Now we can be looking to close, come back here, and then come back down. But if it does break above, give us that retest here, we'll be looking to take our buy entries. Looking at this area here as our first take profit target and looking at that as our overall target. But you can also see the market coming to this area right there, this area right here, and reversing. But just be on the lookout for that for US30. Right now we are looking at German 40 and we're just gonna plot our weekly high and our weekly low. Right, our weekly high and weekly low, you can see that we are still in that bullish movement. We're gonna go to the candlesticks on the 4-hour time frame. You can see we're still in that bullish movement. Still in that bullish movement right there, right? If you're in that bullish movement, you can see that the market is coming back down to retest that area, right? Coming back down to give us that retest on that bullish, but also where it did close is an area of support. It did close in an area of support, right? The market did. So also here we could be looking for buy entries, and you can see that the market was losing momentum. The sell momentum it did give us a doji and a bullish engulfing. Right, so we could be looking for buy entries coming back towards the upside, right? You can also look at that area there. We did have that first touch, that second touch. Right, so should the market break above this, we can also be looking at that as possible entries, but this is not a confirmed trend line. But yeah, we're gonna be looking for in German 40. We're gonna be looking for a buy setup for market open, but should it close, we're looking for that retest. We'll wait for that retest and then go with that buy. And you can also look at this area right here. You can see that the market did play with this area, so it might retest that area, but we're just gonna ignore it for now. Taking a look at gold, and of course we're gonna plot our weekly high and our weekly low. Weekly high and weekly low. We're gonna go into the 4-hourly time frame, onto the candlesticks, right? We use the line chart just to plot our highs and our weekly highs and weekly lows. Right, so that's our weekly high and weekly low. And now looking at this, you can see that the market was in that bullish trend, and then it broke above that, out of that bullish trend, right? Broke out of that bullish trend, and now we're in that sell momentum, right? It did break, came back for that retest, and then now we're in that sell momentum. So right currently we're in a bearish channel, right? We're in that bearish channel right there. We did have first touch, second touch, and in this bearish channel we can see that this area right here is an area of support where we did have the market did now shoot down, give us that correction, and now it's looking come back down again, which is also, you can see that this is an, right, we can just remove this. you can see that this is a flag pattern, right? Because you can see we did have that area right there, and then we did have this area right here. So this is indeed a flag pattern, right? A flag pattern, and we know we can be looking, with this being a flag pattern, we can be looking the market to go down. We can be looking at the market to come back down in this direction, right? We can be looking at the market to come back down in this direction. So there's possible greater sell entries, right? There's more greater sell entries, but we'll be on the lookout for that. But yeah, that's gonna be it for gold. Taking a look at the fundamentals for the week, you can see on the Monday we do have the speech. Might not have that much of an impact, but it's always good to check it out. On Tuesday we have the core inflation rate for US data in Germany, right? We have the speeches as well. And then on Wednesday we have retail sales, not really. We have not a lot of big market movers fundamental wise on Wednesday, and then on Thursday we have the PPI, right? That's also below on the lookout for that, the initial jobless claims and the speeches as well. And then on Friday we have the speeches. But yeah, that's gonna be for the fundamentals for this week. Taking a look at Nasdaq, and then we're gonna plot our weekly high and our weekly low. Again, with Nasdaq, you can see that we're in that bullish movement, but we are now retracing. We're in that retracement. We might be the end of that bullish movement. We might be now in a sell, right? A bearish movement. Let's just see. We did have that. Let's touch center of that bullish trend. Right, we're in that bullish trend. You can see that the market now did close below that bullish trend, and now might come back for a retest of the market, start of market open, right? You can look at this area right there, where the market might give us a retest at this area. We'll be looking to take our sell, right? Our sell setups, looking there's our first target, and looking this area is our overall target. Just start right there. And you can see that we did have our first touch, second touch, and third touch. So you can see that we do have a descending triangle right there, a descending triangle. So we might be see a possible market movement for Nasdaq at reversal, right? And that will start off the bearish sell movement at the start of the week. But yeah guys, that's gonna be it for the weekly forecast. So please like, share, comment, subscribe. But yeah, peace.